Ekero wana ba Kenya bagenderete kuri birengererio aho hanene kubatikana ne roboti rwanyarete kubatu kwa marieta ali anyarete kubatu kwa numurai bwense yabali bawujikoba ase ewisara osawujikoba ase principal secretary simeyense ya Kenya nikobona basaye kurwase county ya Kisii bakura wana Dennis Orioki na baro banyarire bakomoje serikali ya Kenya kwanza anekra bateru no Gusii ni anyarete kaoti kusko asatanya anyarete getarike ndegionzi asama bagayu a principal secretary kaokwana nikobona anyarire gakobori abarai kurwa sorongo rwa Gusii bari barase serikali no nyemba libatayo weswanani na kuriri gosomo Gusii na chikonya getariko cha samatuko alebosio.
We don't know why, but we feel like something somewhere is not working out, and we want to appeal to the leadership, both elected and not elected, to come out strongly and forge a way forward with a big team. But very importantly, we are concerned with the principal secretaries who were appointed recently. We had none from Gusii region or Gusii land, and it's a going concern.
Gusii cannot afford even a chair of a committee in parliament. This is serious. Perhaps that's the reason why and Ongera felt like they don't want to be associated with a party which is not looking Gusii well. Because at the position of a deputy national chairperson, Ongera, and Gusii couldn't get in ODM, even a single chair of a committee in parliament, then she felt like she'll be doing her disservice. Perhaps she could be the one contributing Gusii not to get. And that could be interpreted as the reason she decided to quit.
Ekrono ndio kiatabire na Gusii tanya tiribaga Dr. Benjamin Ikanye ni gachira sekambero ekera akwa mirenere igure ya marita yanyarete kago sokiwa.